There's nothing worse than getting home from a long day's work to find an unmade bed, a bomb of dishes, a tsunami of cat hair, and you get the picture. Sometimes you need a little help. Sometimes you need us. Hi, we're here to provide you with talented and experienced cleaners who will work their magic while you're working yours during the day. Our team are always happy to help, so don't be surprised if you catch them whistling while they work, or vacuuming with more enthusiasm than Mrs. Doubtfire. We'll polish your bathroom and your windows, scrub your dishes and your floors. We'll make your bed and your day. Just give us a list of what needs to be done, and we'll tick off every last item with squeaky clean love and care. So don't wait. Your house is begging to receive our special touch. So get in touch today for a quote.